Really quick. Here's a little bit about how we categorize and prioritize the work we do at Eclipse Adoptium. We have these notions of pillars, areas of focus that we work on. And the main categories at the project are CI health, which talks really about the Adoptium pipeline health. And for us, as much as we try to automate everything and make sure that things are running smoothly, there's always a lot of areas here to improve. So this includes items like adding more automation and improving how current automation works. Infra health refers to making sure the machines and infrastructure underneath those pipelines are working well. So that's its own category because it's a very large piece of work. Aqua Enterprise is related to the Aquavit quality assurance project that we have at the project. We not only test the Tamarin binaries that we produce at the project, but this project, this quality assurance project, delivers a program that all vendors can use. So it is actually quite broad, and there's a lot of activities around making value-added features for the quality assurance program that we have. Secure Dev, a very big topic for us, very important to us. And this project, we are leading the way in this in terms of securing how we produce and distribute Tamarin binaries. So Secure Dev is a very big pillar, especially in the last couple of years at the project. Release is a pillar all of its own. So our kind of bread and butter at the project is our ability to turn around Tamarin releases very quickly. It engages not only the build and test pipelines, it engages all of the activities that we do under Secure Dev, but it's its own focus. During a release period, most of the people working at the project have activities and are working on issues directly related to getting those binaries built, tested, and distributed quickly. And then advocacy, it's its own pillar because the type of work happening here include outreach, it includes communications, marketing, community activities. So if you're writing a blog post to describe something, if you're giving a talk, these are kinds of activities that go under this pillar. All right, why are we talking about this? It's a very quick lightning talk. We've added some views onto our project plans. We have quarterly project plans at this Eclipse Adoptium project, and very many different ways to look at them. The least useful way would be to look at all, because what all shows us is for the first quarter of 2024, here's 1,000 issues in a long list. And if you're smart, you would go to the current one and check what's open. But this isn't really a useful view of it. You can look by component. So we've split build and infra and Aquavit into its own components and comms. However, we've recently added a current iteration board by pillars view, which tells us what's happening in this 2-week iteration and what pillar is that activity related to. So I would say that this view can be very helpful for people looking at the project that aren't actively working in the project. It can also be helpful to explain during a release period, we'd see a lot more stuff in this pillar versus any other. Maybe there's a 2-week iteration where we focus completely on advocacy and working to let people know more about what we're doing in the project and reaching out to adopters and people who are using our stuff. So it can vary from iteration to iteration. And another useful way to view it might be to say, I want to see what my particular items are for this iteration and how I am spreading my focus across the different things. So one of the things I'm going to be doing right now is creating a lightning talk about the pillars of work, so people who missed the community call this week get a chance to see what we're talking about when we say, I'm working on the CI health pillar, or I'm working on an item in the advocacy pillar. It's really just how we focus our time and what areas of focus we have. Okay, thanks very much, and hope you join an upcoming community call. Subscribe to the community calendar. There'll be a link at the end of this presentation to find out more information about how to do that. Thanks very much. Bye.